and today's part 2 of the countdown of Rocco's birthday. That's me. And I'm gonna go to the slide and you're gonna watch it, okay? Go, go! What up, guys?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So now we're going to car. Yay!
Yo.
So, we're going to bed now, and tomorrow's my birthday. I sprained my arm.
Yo.
So guys, the next day, and now I didn't see this big castle. What is it? Dude, I'm open. Oh my god! It's the one I want. The mega. The giant one.
Wow.
So now we're gonna open this. That's gonna like How do you open this? How do you open this?
Rip it off.
Rip it off? Yeah, it doesn't matter that rip it. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That doesn't work on Skylanders Trap Team, but now it does. I mean, it works on the Superchargers. Oh my god!
Which one is it?
It's Nightfall and Sea Shadow. Oh my god, yes! Yeah. Now what's next? Seven. Oh yes! Yes! Jetstream! I mean not Jetstream. Jetstream. Oh my god! Legendary Hurricane Jetpack and the Jetstream. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my god! I want to see that.
Wow. Happy birthday, Rocco. You excited?
Yes.
All right.
Only at Toys R Us. Yes. Somebody broke this. So guys, I wanted to give you a look at my presents I got for my birthday. We got Sea Shadow, Nightfall, Jetstream, and Hurricane Jetpack. And the Mega Nerf gun with giant bullets, the Red Hot Fury, that goes 90 feet and 27 meters. Crazy. And I love it because it's really big, has big bullets, and it's red. So I'll give you a close view of Skylanders. Yeah, that's really epic.